want to move towards a more environmentally friendly level of production, quality in terms of the nutrients it provides for the diet, but also quality in how it's produced. So ensuring that the animals that produce those food have a life worth living and have the ability to express natural behaviour. For ruminants, cattle and sheep, that is about grazing and optimising the flow of nutrients from soil into grass and into high quality production. We look at different interventions or farming techniques, which is the most efficient at transferring nutrients, and we can follow that through and then report that to the farming community at a farm system level as if it was their farm. So the Northwick Farm Platform is made into 3 small farms, which we call farmlets. And scientists like to keep things simple, so we call them red, blue and green. Red is our innovation treatment, so working with plant breeders to find which is the newest grass out there which will improve ruminant nutrition. Our green system is permanent pasture, the most commonly used grassland system within the UK, driven by inorganic fertilisers. And our blue system is our quasi-organic system, so it's using grass and white clover for natural nitrogen fixation driven by the clover. There's been huge demonisation associated with ruminants, sheep and cattle, and that's driven by the production of greenhouse gas, methane. Now, most approaches when you're measuring methane on a cattle and sheep farm is to actually average that data set for the whole farm. What we've done at Northwick is to look at individual animals and actually the methane that's produced from those. If you remove the bottom 5%, you significantly reduce methane. And actually by selecting animals on productivity and efficiency, you can significantly reduce greenhouse gas. So if we think about a healthy, balanced diet, then we should certainly consume more fruit, green leafy vegetables than livestock products. But to say that livestock products are not part of a healthy, balanced diet is simply not correct, because livestock provide key nutrients more bioavailable. So particularly essential amino acids, certain vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, and minerals, zinc, selenium, iodine. So therefore, as part of a healthy, balanced diet, we need a small amount of animal-based protein. If we're going to feed 9 billion people in 2050, we've got to sustainably use our land. So that means if we're growing cereals, then those cereals should go into human diets. And if the land is not suitable for arable crops, then it should be used for either grassland systems or upland systems and using ruminants to produce high quality nutrients from that land. Ruminant livestock should not compete for human edible food. So we need to have a whole transition in how we actually feed our livestock. But in order to support our farmers, we need to ensure that high level of quality is rewarded at the farm gate. So if the farm is producing less of a higher quality, they need to be paid more. We need to educate consumers on how food is produced. And that starts in primary school at a very early age, working with young children so they understand how food is produced. So then they can make an informed decision of the type of food they want to consume and the type of agriculture that we're going to have globally.